Hi everybody, today I'm doing an unboxing. It's been a while and I've just been slacking. Honestly, I will have more videos and editing to do and post, but today I'm excited to show this unboxing. I've been doing like a blowout moment. Also, I do want to mention before I open this, I do still have some items for sale. If you guys didn't watch my collection video, I'm selling my Palm Springs mini, and also I am selling my Chanel 19 flap in the black goatskin leather, comes full set. And I'm still selling my Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy. I'm also selling my Louis Vuitton Lock Me Tender, and this is brand new condition. I'm also selling my YSL Medium Puffer in this mustard color. Lastly, I am selling my Versace, let me see if that's better, Versace in this very beautiful purple color in the small size. Now let's move on with the unboxing. This is purchased pre-loved from The Real Real. I have not purchased from The Real Real in a long time, so this is how it came. Actually surprised of this packaging, and comes in The Real Real I don't know, dust cover. So excited. If you guys have been subscribed for a while, you know I have not purchased anything Chanel, and I actually didn't even really consider Chanel or buying Chanel anymore just because of the price increases. The price itself in general, it's ridiculous. But I'm actually really upset that I didn't purchase it when it first launched, because the price has gone up so much, ridiculous. And somebody was selling this on one of the Facebook groups for over $7,000, and yeah, no, not paying that for Chanel. Anyways, so I saw this, and hopefully it's in good condition and I like it. It came with the cleaning cloth and the booklet right here. So excited. Oh, it's not in the dust bag. Okay, there's the tissues. I can see it, you guys. Can you see that? This is this is the Chanel rectangle mini with the top handle. And yeah, let me inspect it and I'll be right back. Okay, so I did inspect the bag. Maybe I'll make another video about The Real Real and my experience, but I love the style, I love the bag itself. However, this specific one had more wear and tear than I was told. Firstly, the glazing here is cracking. Hopefully you guys can see that. And here too. And I reached out to The Real Real and they are not willing to do anything. Yeah, there's some discoloration in the back and some signs of like color transfer over here, and there's this dent in the bag, and then there's also a mark on the interior. It looks, also they didn't tell me that this would be an iridescent type of bag. I know it looks white on the video, but it's more of like a cream. Is that like kind of showing more? And then this piece right here, it's like bowing out, so it's like deformed or pushed out in a way. Yeah, the corners have wear and tear. The stitching is not white. I don't know how to explain this color. It's more of like gold, silver, beige, but the undertone is white, because this tag is white, right? Let me cover this black piece. This is white and this bag is not white. Does that make sense? But yeah, I'm still talking to the Real. Hopefully they can do something. I've also messaged the leather surgeons to see if this is something that they could also do as far as the glazing. But yeah, I'm disappointed. I'm upset. They won't take my return, even though they told me if the item is not as described, then they will accept a return. So just beware if you're buying from the Real. Don't do it. Let me show you guys some mod shots. For reference, I am 4'11". I'm a size large, extra large, and size 14. Like I said, I'm 5 foot 4'11". This is my waist, this is my hips, so it hits me right below my hip, which I prefer my crossbodies a little shorter, like this, more my like below my waist but above my hips, or just right on my hips. But this is fine, it's very comfortable, and yeah, you can access it, turn lock, just like that. Definitely in the winter when you're wearing coats and jackets, this would probably sit a little bit higher, but that's how it looks on me. And this is how it looks shoulder and top handle. And I can put my wrist inside and just carry it like that. Yeah, because it's iridescent, it looks like it's grabbing onto the purple too. And the top handles that I've seen in other people's bags, this looks more of like a rectangle, like it's flat and then it curves, but this is more like ovaled out. I don't know, does that make sense? Here's another up close. I don't know, what do you guys think? Should I keep fighting for this return? I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and still found the video helpful. I really wish that I could just get this from the store, but the current collections coming out, they're not doing any whites, and I don't want to pay a premium for this bag. I did purchase this like $300 under retail minus taxes. I did pay for taxes, sales tax for this one, but yeah, I don't know, what do you guys think? She's so cute, and because I did sell my Dior saddlebag, don't need, but I've been wanting a white bag with gold hardware. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for all outfit videos, and subscribe. I'll see you next time.